Carolyn and Chad, when you originally picked your wedding date, you had no idea that COVID would impact it as much as it had. Even on round 2, you didn't know how COVID was going to impact it. But the good news is that this may not be the ceremony you originally planned, but you are here today with close family and friends. And today, when you leave here, you will be husband and wife.
Carrie, it is so unbelievable that today we get to start my forever with my best friend. You go all in and you push me to do better. You are so amazing and you make me a better version of myself. Just ask my family. Your wit, how caring you are, you're beautiful inside and out. Baby, if I keep listing them all, you're not gonna get to go.
Chad, our day is finally here, and I couldn't be more excited to be standing with you, promising our love and commitment. The night of March 2nd, 2018 was unlike any other first date. The conversation was natural, and the laughter came easily. I instantly felt comfortable. The way you fit right in with my family, especially interacting with my nieces, nephew, and Manny. You kissing me on my forehead to be sweet and just show that you care. It's a little box. It's her birthday. It's her birthday. Yeah, that's really pretty. Very pretty. Stop crying. It's okay. She has the best seat at our wedding. She is here, don't Yes. Where's the other one?
I stand before you today vowing a few things. I vow to never go to bed angry. We will work as a team to get through all obstacles of life, and good or bad. I believe our future is so bright. I vow to always work with you as a partner, and if we are fortunate enough to start a family, we will parent as a team. Throughout my life, I've made many decisions, some good, some bad, some hard. The decision I make today, becoming your husband, is the easiest decision of my life. I love you.
There's nobody else I would want to do life with. I cannot wait to see what other journeys are in store for us in the future. I vow to inspire you to be the best version of yourself and allow you to do the same for me. I vow to celebrate you in times of success, care for you in times of need, and support you when life presents challenges. I pledge to cherish the little things in our life together, to always take time for the two of us, to never take you for granted, and to be your faithful partner. I promise to love you on the cloudy days, the sunny days, and all the days between.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. Would you like to share a kiss?
Yes.
Go for it.
Now, Chad and Carrie, you two have what many couples dream of, a love that can last a lifetime. I hope you know how amazing it has been to be able to share this day with you, and how thankful I am that we were finally able to share it together. It was totally worth the wait. So please raise your glasses with me in celebration of Chad and Carrie. Carrie.